My dudes, this is Math Time with Mr. G. Today we're going to talk about segment relationships in circles. So, doesn't matter where two chords cross in a circle, they create a relationship. So let's look at EB and EA. They're not necessarily going to be congruent, but the relationship from the cross point, if multiplied, will have the same relationship across EC and ED. So for example, if we had two cross points, and we said this was 2, this was 3, and let's say this is 4. And we don't know how long this cross section is. It would be 2 times 3, 6 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4, 1.5 is x. And again, we don't trust math teacher drawings. If the segment we have comes outside the circle, we say EA times the whole thing is the same ratio as EC times the whole thing. And the same idea, if this was 2, this was 4, this was 3, we could figure out what this side is. If, though, it's a tangent line, so it crosses perfectly just at a single point, we say EA squared times EC times the whole thing. Because there's no portion inside the circle, we'd multiply this one twice. And then average of arcs. If they give us an arc with vertical lines, we know that this is also 5x. We can add these together, divide by 2, will give us the angle inside. So we're going to say 4x minus 1 plus 35. So I added those together, divide by 2. It's going to equal 5x. So I'm going to multiply the 2 over to get 10x. Combine like terms. So now I have 4x plus 34 equals 10x. Subtract 4x over, 34 equals 6x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And I get 34 divided by 6 is 5.6, repeating, is equal to x. I can plug that back in and then find the exact angle measurement. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.